Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator application to scan the QR code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to scan the QR code into Microsoft Authenticator, you just simply have to open your Authenticator application, and after that just simply unlock the application first. Then you will get to see this plus button at the top. Just simply tap into that plus button and then tap into this work or school account. Then after that you will get the option to scan QR code. Just simply tap into that option, and after that you can easily scan any QR code into Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.